Hello guys, welcome back to our blog CMS. And if you're new to my channel and have not subscribed, please subscribe so you can get notified when I post something new. And if you follow me from the beginning and have not subscribed yet, please subscribe so you can also get notified once I post something new. And in this video, I think I have a little bit of problem. I have user, add post, add category. I think I have user profile here, but I think it's gone. I can't see it anymore. I just realized that after I added this search here, I can't find my user profile. I'm coming real quick. Let's go to our navbar. In our navbar, yeah, this user profile, but I can't see it. Well, sometimes this may be because of the name. Maybe it's too long. Let's just put profile. Just remove the user profile. Just leave it as profile. Let's see what is happening. And it is back. Yeah, I knew the name was too long. That user profile was too long. That's why it couldn't accommodate the name. So you can actually style it to accommodate every single thing here. If you want to style it on your own to accommodate everything, like without removing that user, you can actually style it on your own. That is up to you. But I just want to do it like this, please, so I can just see it. And in this video, I think I want to talk about where is it? As you can see, we have so many articles here in just one single page, and we have something called previous page and next page, and this is called pagination. So I think I want to work on my pagination in this video because I don't want to be seeing all my articles like this. I want to have pagination whereby it will only display 2 articles. So when I click on next, it will go to the next page. Maybe if I click on previous, it will go to the previous page. So I just want to be able to just display just 2 articles here. I don't want all this article here. It's looking too, bro. If you want to leave it like this, fine. But I just want to teach you guys how to make use of pagination in this video. So let's head on to our blog. So here we have it in our blog. So go to your blog, go to your views.py. And here where you have your home, I think that's where I have my home. Here in your home, you can just easily just come down here and say paginate by, you can give it any number you want. You can say 3, you can say 2, you can say 21, I don't know. But let me just paginate by 2. Okay? Where you have your class, your home, because that's where we're going to be displaying our pagination. I think that's where it is. So in your home, just write paginate by 2, because I just want to see just 2 articles. So let's head on to our home.html. I think that's where we have it. Down here, as you can see, pagination. So this is where we have our pagination. So how can we do that here? So we're going to make use of if statements, and it's that simple. We're just going to say if page underscore obj dot has underscore previous dot has previous. So I think I need to end my if here. I like doing this early so I won't forget, like I told you guys. And if, so I think I'll have else statement here. Let's say else what are we going to be doing? So let's give this, I think I'm going to put it in a span. Okay, in our span I'll write previous page. Okay, in our span we'll have previous page. So I'm going to give this a class of button large disabled. Okay, so I'll get rid of this disabled here in this class. So just take note of what I did. I got rid of this disabled and I have it here. So now in this our href, you know, this is our where we're passing our link, but it's going to be different because we're dealing with pagination here. So how we're going to do this, we're going to have a question mark. I'm going to call this page that's equals to, we're going to pass in this, and we're going to say page underscore obj dot the previous underscore page number. and this is all we need to do, and we're done. So we're going to repeat the same thing for next. We just did this for the previous, so we're going to do this for the next. So if you try to remove the same thing, I think I'll just do a little bit of copy and paste or not. So I'll just copy this, copy your if statement, come to your next, paste it. So we're dealing with previous here, so here we're going to say next, not previous, and we're going to have the same thing here. Let's copy this below here, paste that. So I'll change this to next. The same thing in our URL here, so I'm going to copy this URL here. So let's try the same thing. So right here we're going to say next, not previous page. I'm just going to say next, and we're done. This is all we need to do for pagination. And this also, let's go check it out and see what we have, whether I've mixed things up. Okay, let's try to refresh. So I've refreshed this already, so let's check and see. And as you can see, it's working. We only have 2 articles because I told you to display just 2 articles here, and that's all we have. So if I go to my next, you will see other articles. It's not just a game, it's a feeling. And we have feel the journey. So now, as you can see, previous page, you can go back to the first page, you can click on next. So my good, in the world we live, you can click on next. Let's go back to previous page if you want to go back to your previous page. So go back to your previous page again, let's go back to the first page. And here we have it, it's all working, and this is all we need to do in pagination. But I think I want to add one more thing. I want to display the page number. Let's know which page we are on. I think maybe I think in our pagination we used to have 1 of 2, 2 of 1, something like that. So I think I would love to add that down here so we can know the page we are on. So I think still in our home.html down here, I'll wrap this up in a div. So I think I will have a style here. So yeah, we're going to say text. I think text align. So I think I'll make it to be in the center. I want it to be in the center so I can see it in the center. So here we're going to have, I don't know, should I use H1 or H2? Okay, let's just make use of a paragraph here. So in my paragraph, I think I'll give the same style that I just did here. So I'll just copy this. I don't change anything. I can just paste that, and okay. So here I think I'm going to say page. I'll wrap this up like this. So let's say page underscore obj dot number. I want to see the page number. I'm going to have off, and I'll do the same thing here. So here I'm going to say page underscore obj dot paginate. So paginator dot num underscore pages. So this is all I have to do, and we are good to go. So let's go and see and check what we have. So let's try to refresh. So here we have it. So page 1 of 4. So let's go to the next page. So we're in page 2 of 4. If you click on the next page, you see page 3 of 4. So is that easy? So in your pagination, everything depends on your view here. Because I told it I want to display just 2. If you click on 1, you will just be seeing just 1. If you click on 3, so number of pages you add here, that's the number of pages you'll be seeing. So that's all. So you can use 5, you can use 20, depending on how wide your web is. I don't know. That's up to you actually though. So this is just all you need to know about pagination, and this is all we have for this video. And thanks for watching, guys. See you guys next time.